the virtues of at-tawheed, that Ahl at-tawheed for them is al-aman. For them is security, for them is safety. And Ahl al-Ilm, they mention security in this world as well. The muwahid, alhamdulillah, you will find the muwahid, the person of tawheed is content. The person of tawheed is happy. The person of tawheed is secure. In opposition to the mushrik that worships other than Allah Azza wa Jalla, you find that they have khawf al-sir. They're scared of the jinn. They're scared of this. They're scared of that. Wal-iyadu billah. Scared of everything. But the muwahid only fears Allah Azza wa Jalla. The muwahid only hopes for Allah Azza wa Jalla. The muwahid only places his trust in Allah Azza wa Jalla. The muwahid only loves Allah Azza wa Jalla. Naam. So a person of tawheed has aman in this world. And the level of the security and safety that Allah will bless them with depends upon how much they actualize the tawheed. So the people of tawheed, they have security and safety in this world and security and safety in the hereafter. Likewise, Allah, He said about the people of tawheed, وَهُمْ مُهْتَدُونَ, they are guided. As Shaykh al-Fawzani said, وَهُمْ مُهْتَدُونَ, the saying of Allah, and they are the guided ones. This is the second virtue from the virtues of at-tawheed. That the attainment of guidance for the people of at-tawheed, who single out Allah with all worship. That in this world, they will be muhtadeen, guided in their actions. يَعْبُدُونَ اللَّهَ عَلَى بَصِيرًا, they worship Allah upon understanding, upon knowledge. سَالِمِينَ مِنَ الشِّرْكِ, they're free of shirk in their actions. Likewise, they're free from innovations and deviations in opposition to the people of shirk, because they are not guided in this world. Rather, they are misguided, they are astray, because they worship Allah, but they mix with their worship polytheism, shirk, and they worship other than Allah. So they are astray and they are misguided. They are astray and they are misguided. And all a person has to do, ikhwan, is look at the actions of the people of shirk. You can see that they're غير muhtadeen. They are not guided. They are not guided in their acts of worship. They are confused and they worship Allah Azza wa Jal upon ignorance. And they associate partners with Allah Azza wa Jal. And they fall into all types of errors and mistakes and deviations.